Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. It is quite correct. We always do that. We have also exempted all defense cargo. Any vessels carrying defense cargo will be handled in spite of the strike by us. Passenger vessels will be handled. Any ships which are in distress will, of course, be normally treated as they should be, and whatever work was done during the last 5 days in respect of these matters is being done free by the workers without taking any wages. Don't say that our attitude is an irresponsible attitude. I only want to wish to add my voice to what the other honorable members have said for the use of debating on the demands of grants for the defense ministry, and we were talking of the role of Navy in repelling back the external aggression, and here the Navy is being used to break the strike of the workers. This is a very unfortunate situation which should not repeat in future. I would tell the government that this is not the proper way to deal with such matters. Such strikes have taken place in many countries. This has not happened for the first time. Many times, railways, dock, and port workers have gone on strike. Longshore men in America have gone on strike so many times. These are democratic countries like ours with a parliamentary government. The army and navy have never been brought in to break the strike. This should not be done. It will have unhealthy consequences. Many honorable members had already emphasized this point. I do not want to go into the details of it. The question now is, how is it that wage revision agreements running into crores of rupees were successfully negotiated in the other public sector undertakings? Nowhere it was necessary for the workers to go on strike, neither in coal nor in steel, petroleum, BHEL, or any of the major public sector undertakings where new wage agreements were signed in the course of last 1.5 years. How is it that only in the case of port and dock workers things have come to such a pass where a strike has taken place and it is going to complete 1 week? We do not want the strike to go on, we want a settlement. If the government wants to test the unity or determination of the workers, well, I think 1 week is ample to demonstrate them, and it is not necessary to prolong that. We have made it clear. The four federations have also said that. You have read that in the newspapers this morning. Stop. Thank you.